Hello everyone, my name is Mriganka. I am from West Bengal. I have completed Diploma Engineering in Computer Science and Technology from BBIT in 2014. It's been great experience with Evision. I made the right decision of joining in Evision. It is not just an online coaching institute like other, but it far better from them. It is a online job internship program. The experts and their guidance are just awesome. The best part of it is anybody can learn efficiently from Evision. Even the person know nothing about the networking can go for it. It's been only 45 days. I have placed in Microland with salary offered 2.5 LPA. Thanks Evision for helping me to groom career in IT field. Thanks Evision.